Namaste, Sreedharan Namboothiri Thapovan. Today we are going to discuss about dissociative identity disorder or split personality disorder, multiple personality disorder. Many people have the doubts, if I have this problem, how can I deal these situations? Actually, this happening, the lack of confidence to face the situations. It is the reason of the generation of the dissociative identity disorder. These are based on the analytical psychologist Carl Jung's ideology about the archetype, subconscious archetypes. Actually, these archetypes are controlling our emotions. Means archetypes means the intelligence in the memory neural network of the brain, which is created by the past experience through the five senses, cognitive learning. For example, when dog is coming to bite me, then the face of the dog and the sound of the dog, touch, smell, everything will generate a neural network of the emotion based on this picture. That is archetypes. Maybe these are different. Example, in your experience, you can feel, you can remember a loving dog. In my experience, this one. If somebody says dog is coming, then immediately I will run. You will stay there. So, in your brain, the dopamine will come. In my brain, the adrenaline, the command will go to generate adrenaline. So, these are the differences. These are the importance of archetypes. So, Carl Jung said different types of archetypes related different area. The right-taste archetypes, hero, the many archetypes he described. Actually, the personality is a dynamic organization. The statement is coming from the famous psychologist Alappuzha. Our personality is not a single one. It is a dynamic organization of different, many intelligence personalities. So it is accumulating from from our childhood, from our relatives, friends. So as per the situational energy, atmosphere, the tuning of the brain will connect it to that kind of personality range, which we collected from our relatives, friends, to our memory. As per that frequency level, the archetypes will evoke and it will take the body and start to behave without the knowing of this person. The problem is these personalities can create big crimes and suicide, abuses, quarreling. It is very difficult to handle the situation, those people and others also. Actually, many cases are coming like that. One example, one lady, she treated in medical college, Alappuzha, 15 years, and having the psychiatric past history, medicine is using continuously, but no relief. She cannot eat food properly and cannot take the weight and cannot hear the sounds, big sounds, and then she will faint down or she will start to act as another person. So when she came to me, when I start to take the MSc mental status examination, her other personality came to outside. Then I fix a puja, the traditional tantric way to remove the dissociation, because already we tested all kind of hypnotherapy and CBT and medicine, everything. So fixed puja, and when start the puja, the personality came out and argue to bargain to benefits. Then I gave the opportunity to flush out the suppressed emotions through a sword, and gave to the opportunity to express. Actually, the reason of the suppressions are coming from lack of expression. Then the personality went to outside and removed immediately. The total problem finished. Example, one another case, I remember, father and daughter came to me. She cannot learn properly, and she tried to kill her father 2 times. So this is also same like that. Had the past psychiatrist story. And I tried to give suggestion, hypnotic suggestion, but she is not looking properly. She is talking some other matters. Then I fixed the puja and did the old style of tantric style of exorcism. Then the personality came out. She said, I tried this to kill this person 2 times. How many murders and suicides are happening by this kind of dissociation? In many cases, it is happening actually. They don't know actually what is happening. According to Yoga Shastra, it is the rising of Kundalini is through the Ida and Pingala. That is actually coming to dissociation. If we can let the Kundalini through Sushumna path, through the meditations, we can overcome the problem actually. The Ida Pingala path is the vibrational path of emotions. Actually, it is also a Kundalini awakening, but gurus you can see in YouTube and many places, you can see they are charging very big amount and they are giving the suggestion, hypnotic suggestion to rise the Kundalini through the Ida and Pingala actually. Then they will vibrate and they will feel some kind of bliss and some kind of dissociation, positive dissociation. Then they are thinking, my Kundalini is awakened. I am became a guru or Siddha. Actually, it is not like that. Actually, this is a dissociation. It is happening through the Ida and Pingala. They are cheating you. Actually, it should go through the Sushumna. The person should put effort for the development of Kundalini through the Sushumna. We have to meditate for rising the Kundalini through the Sushumna. Ida Pingala path, anybody can activate. But it is also a Kundalini awakening. It is correct. But it is not the right path of moksha or enlightenment. So, what I am saying, so we have to remove these personalities in a systematic way. Many methods are there. You have to use as per the situation: CBT, cognitive behavior therapy, talk therapy, hypnotism, counseling, and medical pharmacology, and combination of these kind of methods and traditional tantric exorcism methods of puja, Sudarshana Homa, special Parashakti puja, Homa, everything. Mindfulness meditation, Vipassana, is very effective. It is, we can give as a side process. The main thing, we have to remove the archetypes through the meditation. We have to implant a new neuron network, more powerful deity to inside, positive deity. These are negative deities. Positive deities we have to implant through the 5 senses Through the sadhana, we can go to temples and accumulate the energy through the five senses and generate a neural network. We can do the sadhana positively, like Srividya sadhana, different meditation methods. We can implant a strong deity, powerful deity to subconscious mind through the puja with the ringing bell, smell, agarbatti, through the five senses, cognitive learning. We can implant a powerful deity like Lalita Tabirasundari or Bhadragali, different deities we have. We can implant properly the archetypes, the positive archetypes. We can, why? Because properly, because without improper methods, without proper scientific guidance, if you do, the deities may come to the dissociation. Which deities you are meditating, that deities may come to dissociation. It will be a disease actually. It is not good. So we have to handle properly, otherwise it will happen. Especially these people, very careful. We have to be very careful about that. In astrology, it is saying clearly the badhas, the deities which are affecting negatively, this can change to dissociation, cause of dissociation. It is like a lift. You are going to second floor. So entering the floor, then you can see many criminals will be there. Example, they are attacking you. Then one person holding your hand and bring to this lift and press the button. You can only press the button inside only. The outside switch is not there. Imagine. Then go to third level floor and you can go to third level floor. In that floor, the meditation is going. The next you participate in that meditation, then your mind will become calm. Then come to next level floor. Their food festival is running. You are enjoying the food and you call the police and bring your friends. They are working in police, 5 people, and give the food for enjoy the lunch. Then you can go to that second floor. Without that, if you go again, the problem will come again. Actually, after rising the awareness to higher chakras, then don't come to down chakras for particular time to still implant a powerful deity. Then along with that deity, after implantation of the deity in subconscious mind, along with that deity you can go to that second floor. That is the system actually, scientific and psychological system behind the deity worship and how to remove the dissociative identity disorder. This is a very complicated process. Dangerous and complicated process. We have to use the systems properly. If change the system, if any mistake happen, it will create dangerous problems, because the world of dissociation, the world of ghost, it is not a simple thing. We are simply saying it is a mental thought process, but we have to understand everything is mental thought process. So that world is the first world. The external world is the reaction of the inner world movements. Newton's 3 laws are working in the world of deity. So we have to learn about that. So thank you. പോയില്ല എന്ന് പറയും. അത് എൻ്റെ കാര്യം ഞാൻ നോക്കിക്കോളാം, അതോടെ നിൽക്കട്ടെ. നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ ശരി, ഇപ്പൊ തൽക്കാലം പോയാട്ടെ, തൽക്കാലം ഒന്ന് മാറിയാട്ടെ. മറ്റേ ആളെയും കൂടെ എന്തോ വേണ്ടെന്ന് പറയാം. ആളെടുക്കാം തരാം.
അടുത്തൊന്നും 2 വർഷം മരുന്ന് കഴിച്ചിട്ടും എൻ്റെ ഈ അസുഖം എനിക്ക് പൂർണ്ണമായിട്ട് ഇതാകുന്നില്ല. എനിക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ജോലി ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല, പിന്നെ കൂടുതൽ ഭാരം എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല, പിന്നെ ഒത്തിരി സൗണ്ട് കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. ഇത് വന്ന് പൂജ ചെയ്ത് അതിനെയെല്ലാം ആവാഹിച്ച് കളഞ്ഞ് മെഡിറ്റേഷൻസ്, ധ്യാനം, പിന്നെ കൗൺസിലിങ് ഇതെല്ലാം ചെയ്ത് ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഹാപ്പിയാണ്. എന്നിലുള്ള അസുഖം എല്ലാം പോയി.
കുഞ്ഞിനെ മോശം തരാം. കുഞ്ഞിന്റെ പേരിട്ടായിരുന്നോ? കുഞ്ഞിന് പേരിട്ടായിരുന്നോ? അപ്പൊ അതിന് ബാല
ഇതിനെ കൊന്നിട്ട് ചെല്ലാനെന്ന്
എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി.
നോക്കി വെച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കുവല്ലേ ഇവര്. ഞാൻ എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യും? എന്റെ അച്ഛനും അമ്മയെ പോലെ അല്ലേ ഇവര് വളർത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് വന്നത്.
ശരിയാണ്, ശരിയാണ്, 100% അത് ആ നല്ല മനസ്സിന് ഈശ്വരൻ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കുക. അതായത് മോക്ഷത്തിലേക്ക്
ഞാന് വിളിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാ ഇവരെ. എന്നെ എന്റെ കുഞ്ഞിനെയും കൂടെ അല്ലേ കൊന്നത്. ഇവരെ ചെയ്തത് ചതിയല്ലേ?
അല്ല, അപ്പൊ ചതിച്ചു കൊന്ന്. ഞാനൊരു കാര്യം പറയട്ടെ, നല്ല ആളുകളെ ദൈവം നേരത്തെ വിളിക്കുമെന്ന് കേട്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? ആ മോക്ഷ വണ്ടി ഇടിച്ചു കൊന്നതാ. ഏത് വണ്ടിയാ? അതൊന്നും അറിയത്തില്ല, അതൊന്നും ഓർമ്മയില്ല. ടിപ്പർ ഇടിച്ചു. പോട്ടെ, സാരമില്ല, പോട്ടെ. എന്തായാലും സംഭവിക്കാൻ സംഭവിച്ചില്ലല്ലോ.
എന്റെ അച്ഛനും അമ്മ എന്താ തീരാ ദുഃഖം സഹിക്കുന്നേ.